I was tired of spending money on hair products that did not change anything. Then I kept hearing about rosemary water for hair growth, so I decided to compare homemade rosemary water with store-bought sprays and see what actually helps. Subscribe, like, and comment. If you enjoy calm hair and herbal experiments explained in a simple way, feel free to subscribe. Here at Path of Herbs, we keep things beginner-friendly and practical. There is a lot of excitement around rosemary water right now, but the big question is simple. Is the quick homemade version as effective as the bottled versions that cost more? Today we will cover the science, the DIY method, what store-bought products offer, and how to choose what fits your routine. Why is rosemary water a big deal? Rosemary has been used in traditional care for a long time. Modern research has focused more on rosemary oil than rosemary water. A well-known study from 2015 compared rosemary oil with 2% minoxidil E, an active ingredient used for hair loss. The results suggested similar improvement over time, with fewer reports of scalp itching. Rosemary may support hair in a few ways. One is circulation. Better circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to hair follicles. Another is anti-inflammatory support. A stressed scalp can make healthy growth harder. Rosemary also contains antioxidants such as carnosic acid, which may help protect the scalp from environmental stress. Some research also explores a possible role in DHT-related hair thinning. DHT is a hormone that can contribute to follicle miniaturization in some people. Now, an important note, most strong evidence is on rosemary oil, not rosemary water. Rosemary water is a lighter infusion. It may be less potent, but it can be easier to use daily without weighing hair down. DIY. Rosemary water, the simple kitchen method. Homemade. Rosemary water is simple and low cost. You will need rosemary and water. Fresh rosemary sprigs work well. Dried rosemary also works well. Distilled water is ideal because it reduces mineral buildup on the scalp. Filtered water is a good backup. DIY step by step, measure about 4 cups of distilled water and bring it to a rolling boil. Add 4 or 5 rosemary sprigs and then turn off the heat. Do not keep boiling the leaves. Instead, cover the pot and let the rosemary steep like a strong tea. Steep for 30 to 60 minutes, or longer if you prefer. When it is fully cool, strain into a clean spray bottle, using a fine mesh strainer or cloth. Store it in the refrigerator. Because it has no preservatives, use it within 1 to 2 weeks. Store-bought rosemary. Water what you are paying for. Store-bought. Rosemary sprays offer convenience. You do not need to boil, steep, strain, or refrigerate. Many formulas also include extra ingredients, such as rice water, biotin, or botanical extracts. The biggest advantage is shelf life. Preservatives allow many products to last for months. The trade-off is cost and less control over the ingredient list. If you have a sensitive scalp, checking ingredients matters. Quick question for you. Do you prefer DIY or do you prefer store-bought convenience? Share your preference in the comments so I know what to test next. The experiment plan. Here is a simple way to compare. Use one method consistently for 6 weeks. Apply to the scalp daily or on your regular wash schedule. Massage the scalp for 2 minutes to support circulation. Track a few signs. Shedding in the brush or shower. Scalp comfort and itching. Oiliness or dryness. Appearance of baby hairs along the hairline. Consistency matters more than perfection. The verdict: how to choose. In many real-world routines, DIY and store-bought can both work. DIY is best if you want low cost, simple ingredients, and full control. Store-bought is best if you want a long shelf life and a ready-to-use bottle. If you know you will not keep up with weekly prep, store-bought may be the more consistent option. If you enjoy simple routines and you like making fresh batches, DIY is a great fit. The biggest secret is consistency. Rosemary water is not an overnight miracle. Think of it like watering a plant. Small, consistent care over weeks and months supports better growth. If you found this helpful and you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next video.